Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's actually a lovely sunny day in Wales, so we get the bike out of the shed as it hasn't been out for a couple of weeks and see what's going on. Today we plan on fitting the back pad onto the rear box here to get that sorted out, and I'm going to see if I can connect to the phone to the bike, so we'll see in a minute. But the bike is looking gorgeous in the sun, as you gather. Just giving it a kick once over with a cloth. See if we can get the sun, get it to shine a bit, and get a bit of a protective coat down for the winter. But it's looking nice, as they say. So stay tuned and see how I get on with this back pad. I do apologise, I got the sun in the camera, so let's see what it's like. So that's the back pad. That's how we fit in today. I believe it goes on there. Oh. Right there. So let's peel it off, see what it is. 76 quid these are, but I had it as part of the deal. That's as technical as it gets. Central and working. Yeah, all fixed on, all looking good. So that's the back pad then. Let's have a look at winding setting the bike up then. Right, let's get on the app and see what to do then. Connect the motorcycle. Go to connectivity hub. Connect new device. Sorry, searching for devices. There you go, straight in. Well, it's searching. Happy there. We done. We paid. Hurrah! There we are, as simple as that. Rider's helmet, passenger's helmet. As I do it all through my phone, I don't think I'll bother with connecting with that one. But we leave it at my phone for a second. And hopefully, it should have brought up. Okay, so let's get a copy onto it, out. Okay. Right, so we've connected the phone, but like I say, it's not exactly the most intuitive system on the market. It's controlled with this wonder wheel here, and you've got the up and down buttons which also control it. That brings you back up to normal. You can also change your screens, and you get your heating condition, windscreen, damping, ride height, and all the rest of it that goes with it. You can do it with using the rocker switch, and you can also have a quick action button, which is that gets you in it, and you can come back out of it, and you've got the actual up buttons that go up and down when you're in different modes. That brings you your menu of your vehicles and sport, navigation, and everything else, but they're only working when the helmet is connected, basically. So it's your display settings, there's your system settings, vehicle settings, assist, connections that are just done, and it says reset all then. You just come over with the window wheel again and press there, and it comes back to the normal screen. So it's not the most intuitive of things, shall we say, but we'll get used to it, because you get your mode button by here for your rain, and you've got your road, enduro, eco, and you've also got a dynamic plus, and an enduro plus, I believe. So all things to play with and get to look at, as they say. So that's your on or off button. So SOS button on it. This has, you look for the little squares by here, it has blind spot mirrors. It's also got the radar cruise control, so it tells you how far you're off from the car in front and slows you down and speeds you up appropriately. The only thing it doesn't have, I believe, is the rear crash protection, but it's got everything else, I believe. So that is the new bike, all nice and shiny, shall we say. So hopefully stay tuned, follow us in the next vlog where we actually get it out on the road in the dry and out and about wheels, because like I say, the only ride it's had so far has come back from the garage down in Bristol. So let's hope we can get some miles out of it soon. So like I say, like and subscribe, ring the bell, and comment in the comments below if I'm doing anything wrong. Like the El Cortilo one, only somebody has noticed that I spelt the heading wrong. Only one person has noticed that. Again, got new glasses, so got new reading glasses, and very focused, as you can see distance, even though I meet the criteria by 6 lines apparently, but she's adjusted my glasses so it enhances my vision even more. So I do recommend Insight Opticians in Llandovery. So pads on, stayed on, so job done. So let's give it a finish, giving it a wipe over and pop it back in the shed for the time being, and then we'll hopefully get it out soon. So like I say, like and subscribe, ring the bell, see you all soon, thanks for following.